Jennifer Elizabeth with Perry Piccolo's Vlogs. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today's video is for the open collab hashtag Sticker Saturday, and it is hosted by Crafting Rose. And in this collab, we share with you anything that we've made with our stickers. Some people even share different sticker hauls. So what I did was I wanted to go with the St. Patrick's Day theme, and I decided to make some pages that I'm going to be inserting into my new spring themed junk journal / scrapbook. So what I did was I just used some different crafting paper. I actually got this from a paper pack at Dollar Tree, and then I used some stickers that I recently got from Amazon, and they all have a St. Patrick's Day theme. I think that they look really cute with this green page right here. So I did two in this color. I did this one right here, and then I did this one. So I'm going to use both of these as like a spread. So what I'll do is I'll use these as a spread in that journal. And then I did this one right here. Really cute. I love it on the gold. I thought that the gold would be another perfect color for St. Patrick's Day, along with that vibrant green. And this one I focused more on leprechauns, where the first two I focused more on gnomes. And then I had a lighter gold, which I think is really cute. So I did that. I love the hearts and just the different stars and designs that they did. This is from two different sticker packs that I got. And again, this paper as well is from those paper packs that they sell at Dollar Tree. They're the ones that have 100 sheets in them and correct or square. So that's where I got the first 4 sheets from. And then this right here is actually from a paper pack I got at Michael's. And again, it has gold in it. It's gold and white. I thought it was really cute. So we have all the little gnomes getting ready for a party. They have up their banner. And then you can see they have a little car right there. I think the car is adorable. And the last one that I did is right here, again with the leprechauns. And they're getting ready for a party too, as they all have their balloons. So those are the 6 pages that I made for this Sticker Saturday video. So I'm going to show them to you like this, side by side. So that would be one. So those both are going to be on one spread that I create in my journal. And then the next two are going to be this one and this one. And then the third spread is this one right here. So that's what I created for this week's Sticker Saturday. I hope that you guys like the theme and that you like the pages that you like the inserts that I created that I'm going to be adding into my new spring journal. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. So with all that being said, that does conclude today's video. Thank you so much, Crafting Rose, for hosting this collab. I really do enjoy it. It's so much fun. Everyone, please go ahead and put in that hashtag Sticker Saturday. Watch everyone's videos and show them some love. Also, go to Crafting Rose's channel and watch her video and show her some love as well. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. Please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you know next time I upload and every time I upload. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.